So the wait is finally over. The Mad Max Anthology 4K Steelbook box set is here. So I ordered this ages ago, it feels like ages ago, but it was delayed. It was supposed to come out December time, late November in the UK, but it was delayed because the earlier US release, people that bought it discovered that the Road Warrior had an issue with its original audio that was on it, so they got recalled in the US, and that delayed obviously the UK release. But it's here now, and straight away I'm thinking it was worth the wait. Just initial impressions. That looks like 100 quid's worth. Proper heavy, sturdy. The steelbooks look nice and secure, safe in there, and I'm liking the colour coding already. So let's get it open and have a look inside. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with this like massive big J-card thing. So it's all 4 of the Mad Max films in 4K HDR, obviously 4K Blu-rays, and it comes in this metallic tin. So we'll take this J-card off. And having a look at the back of the card, you'll see that they come in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, except for the original Mad Max, as you can see here, which has TTS HD Master Audio 5.1. So they've all had Dolby Atmos, or certainly the Road Warrior and Beyond Thunderdome have had updates. Fury Road always had Atmos, even on the old Blu-ray I had. Also worth noting is that you get both versions of Fury Road, so you also get the black and chrome edition, but only on the Blu-ray. Apparently the black and white or black and chrome edition, as far as George Miller, director, is concerned, is how the film should be watched. That's how he intended it to be, right from the off, in black and white, but I don't think the studios were too chuffed with that, hence the original theatrical release was in colour. But anyway, enough about that. Let's have a look at the box. Really sturdy, I'm really impressed with the design, I like it. I like this little montage mural of all the villains from the 4 different films, and as I say, the steelbooks are bomb-proof in that box. On the top you have the man himself, Mad Max, with the Anthology logo, and it's the same on the rear of the tin, which is really cool, and the bottom is just the Warner Brothers logo. So really sturdy, you can see it's that kind of hard foam in there, and they've got clear sliders for each one to go into, which is good. Putting that to the side, let's have a look at the steelbooks themselves. So first up is Mad Max. The artwork's really cool for Mad Max. There's a quick look at the spine, and you've got the interceptor on the back. Inside you've got this little kind of graffiti Menchie here, my fuel injected suicide machine. I like that, it's in keeping with the whole style of Mad Max, kind of vandalism of it. But maybe we could have had an image or something, but no, I like that because there's plenty of cool images on the front, so I think that's really cool. I'm hoping they're going to have something similar, something from each film inside. That'd be really cool. Blu-ray's totally boring, 4K is not much better, but there you have it. On to the Road Warrior. They went with the blue colouring for this one. Similar idea with the kind of design, but yeah, really cool, I like that. Spine's just the same. And on the back again, a different kind of shot of the beat up interceptor from the second one. Opening up, what's we got this time? You want to get out of here, you talk to me. Love that line. I even used it on the thumbnail if you're for the beady-eyed that might have noticed that. But yeah, same again, the 4K has the yellow artwork, and again, standard Blu-ray has the blue. And then on to Thunderdome, which is the one I've actually seen the least. But yeah, again, really cool artwork. I like it. I like that Max each time is in the front of the logo, it's pretty cool. Spine wise just the same, and on the back, whatever that is, the mangled truck, it's in the kind of final act of the film. I haven't seen Thunderdome for ages, so I'm quite looking forward to watching it. Especially in the 4K, 2 men and one man leaves, I like it. Same again, 4K's yellow, Blu-ray's blue. A little bit disappointing that, but that's what it is. And then lastly, I think this may be controversial, but I think Fury Road's the best out of a lot of them. Ran very closely by the Road Warrior, but yeah, Fury Road is an absolute assault in the senses. I like that artwork, again, really cool. I like they're all consistent. Spines are nice. and then again the big truck on the back. Alright, okay, so this one we have, alright, yeah, so 2 Blu-rays. That's your standard Blu-ray for the film, and then if I take this off you'll see that it's the black and chrome edition. That's cool. I've never had the black and chrome edition, so that's a nice touch that they have it in there, because I have always fancied watching it. And then the yellow 4K edition in there. Take this out to see what's inside. What a lovely day, I should have guessed that. Just double check, but I don't think there'll be anything underneath these. Nah. Yeah, so really cool. Let me know what you think of the steelbooks themselves. I think everything except for the discs, which I'm not that bothered about. Disc art's not as a bonus in my opinion. But yeah, I think the steelbooks are really, really cool. I think the box that they're in is awesome. That's going to look good in anyone's collection. Once I get my room sorted out, that will definitely not be in a cupboard. That'll be up on a shelf somewhere, because I think that looks awesome. And I love the Mad Max films. So yeah, let me know what you think of the Mad Max Anthology 4K Steelbook box set. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Andy. As always, if you liked the video, please consider giving it a wee like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more about 4K Blu-ray, unboxing, gaming and home cinema tech. Alright, I've been Andy, Electric Geek. Thanks for watching, take care.